Mala, mala, malo. I made up this phrase from the thumbnail in order to play around with a weird verb. First, malus means bad, and malum means apple, which is a neuter noun, so the plural is in a. This means that mala, mala, malo means I prefer bad apples. Malo is a compound made from magis plus wolo, which is why its conjugation is irregular. Magis means more, like how a magister hopefully knows more than their discipuli. And as you know, wolo means I want or wish. So this word literally means I more greatly wish for, idest, I prefer. The stem for this verb is usually mal, but for 3 cases the L changes, as in legere mavult. She prefers to read. And can you guess what this means? Historiam quam geographiam mavis. You prefer history to geography. Quam is used in comparisons with a meaning like than. It comes before the word that is less preferable. So this is like saying, you wish for history more than geography. And the third form with a V is the plural you. Vinum quam aquam mavultis. You guys prefer wine over water. By now you may be able to see the relation to the conjugation of wolo. Whenever we have VO, we chop this off and replace it with ma. And when we don't have a VO, we simply add ma before the V. Thankfully, both verbs are regular in all other cases except for the present subjunctive. Here's a common phrase that uses the subjunctive. Mori me malim. I'd rather die. Morior is a deponent verb. If you don't know what these are, check out the video in the description box. And mori is the infinitive form of this verb. But the verb malim shows us how to make the subjunctive for malo and wolo. We just conjugate it like a regular verb, but with an I, as is shown here.